Hi students, in this video let us learn the preparation of hydrogen in the laboratory. Aim: preparation of hydrogen in the laboratory. Materials required: flat bottom flask, zinc granules, dilute HCl, thistle funnel, delivery tube, collecting jar. Procedure: take a flat bottom flask and close its mouth with the help of two-hole rubber stopper. Insert a thistle funnel into its one of the hole and another hole is fitted with a delivery tube. Another end of the delivery tube is connected to the collecting jar. Pour dilute HCl towards the flat bottom flask with zinc granules and observe the phenomenon. Observation: the gaseous bubbles formed and then passed through the delivery tube was observed. Result: due to reaction between zinc granules and a dilute hydrochloric acid or a dilute sulfuric acid, by following the chemical displacement, zinc displaces the hydrogen or zinc displaces the hydrogen from hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid and liberates hydrogen gas. So, zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid and forms its respective zinc chloride along with the liberation of hydrogen gas. In the same way, for example, instead of dilute hydrochloric acid, if you take sulfuric acid, so zinc reacts with sulfuric acid and forms its respective salt zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. So this is the preparation of hydrogen in the laboratory. So once again, aim: preparation of hydrogen in the laboratory. Materials required: flat bottom flask, dilute HCl, zinc granules, thistle funnel, delivery tube, collecting jar. Procedure: take a flat bottom flask with zinc granules in it and close its mouth with the help of a two-hole rubber stopper. Insert a thistle funnel into its one of the hole and another hole is fitted with a delivery tube. Another end of the delivery tube is connected to the collecting jar. Pour dilute HCl with the help of thistle funnel and observe the phenomenon. Observation: the gas bubbles formed in the flat bottom flask and passed through the delivery tube was observed. Result: hydrogen gas was collected in the collecting jar because zinc reacts with a dilute hydrochloric acid or a dilute sulfuric acid and forms its respective salt along with the liberation of hydrogen. It follows a chemical displacement reaction. What is chemical displacement? The reaction in which a higher reactive metal like zinc displaces the hydrogen from its compound and liberates the hydrogen gas. So we already known this zinc have more reactivity than hydrogen based on metal activity series. Already we discussed in the previous class. What is metal activity series? The series of metals which are arranged in the descending order of the reactivity is known as metal activity series. So the metal like zinc displaces the hydrogen from its compound and liberates hydrogen. So by following chemical displacement we may prepare the hydrogen in the laboratory.